condensed glue gels. If you're having a hard time, your crystal is not staying on, this is going to be your bestie. And we're gonna do is really good layer, not too thick, not too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too thin is going to not bond your crystal properly. So I'm going to use one good layer, and then no wipe top coat on the top. And I'm gonna do is like what is called bubble petals. I love this, the flowers. I had this on my nails quite many times as well.
So Peter, if you want to see Nancy nails, feel free to go back to our live video. We have a video of, I think sometime last week, where she done the whole set of nails.
What size of brush I am using? This, you mean this size? This is a twin tip brush, the dual twin tip brush. And then for the acrylic, you mean liquid and powder, I'm using between size 12, 14, and it's great new. We have size 10 is going to be launched soon. Oh, we have 2 packages in the back too. So I am going to apply the flower first as the centerpiece, and then I am gonna do is all different, like a smaller round. And this is gonna be stunning because it's gonna glow in the dark. So we need some frame, the frames, one of the frame there. I am gonna using that one, super adorable. Over there. And add more. This is a transcendent crystal. It make me like thinking of super adorable designs for like it make me feel like I am gonna do blings all inside the nails. So I get randomly different sizes, and I'm going from size SS3 to SS 20 to achieve this look. And it's nothing it's not gonna be a wrong or right when you're adding any shape. You can add this, you can incorporate the different shape as you wish. And then you can add also, you can add your beads along when you're working on it. And I'm going to using several different colors because I like them all. All the color is so beautiful. Love the look and the shines of it. I'm so excited today, you know, back in after the weekend. Hope everyone have a fabulous weekend and productive week. And then I am going to lock some of my flowers and my petals and add some beads on. You can do silver, you can do gold, you can do obsidians, and then you can do rose gold, however you would like. Oops, sorry. Sometimes I move too far. Just want to say hi to Facebook, Instagram all the time, and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope each videos will really help for whether you are a beginner or you are doing your nails at home. Enjoy having fun. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can watch us live. So I hope I don't mix. Let me check if I miss any comments. And thank you, Dom, for always helping me answer the question. Dom is one of Glitz brand ambassadors. She's so talented and all of her works is stunning. Really cool. I like that. So that's why I just didn't want to add some other, because we're always going to do the super cute this design that I have an eye on it for you. So wipe up on the side, I mean on the edges right here, to remove all accessories like gels or excess gel polish or gel products before you cure, so then your shape is stay remaining really nice and precise. All right, if you are happy, you are going to cure. I think I just need one more beads right here. I'm gonna try to, you try to give me like, wait, you can't leave yet, you have to put more. Okay, cure for 60 seconds.